Good morning, students. Last class I told you about heart, means size of heart, internal structure of heart, working of the human heart, मतलब कैसे हमारे शरीर में ये काम करता है. Today I will tell you how work and what is the heartbeat. The heartbeat is an adult man at rest about 70 to 80 minutes times a minute. Each beat consists of empty of the four chambers of the heart, followed by their filling while the heart muscles rest for a short interval. The beats can be felt just below the fifth rib on the left side of the chest, because at each contraction, that left side of the heart presses against the chest wall of the point. The heartbeat can also be counted by feeling the pulse. हार्टबीट को आप पल्स से भी जान सकते हैं. विच इज़ द वेव ऑफ प्रेशर दैट पासिस डाउन द आर्टरीज फॉलोइंग ईच कॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग द हार्ट पम्प. द पल्स में बी फेल्ट whenever our arteries comes close to the surface of the body. When it is backed on a bone at the wrist and temple inside the elbow and ankle. First, feel the pulse in the लेफ्ट रिस्ट में से जाना जा सकता है. प्लेस द राइट हैंड विद द पॉम, हथेली के पास, प्रेसिंग अगेंस्ट द बैक ऑफ द लेफ्ट रिस्ट. बेंड द फिंगर्स राउंड अंटिल द पेट ऑफ मिडल ऑफ द इंडेक्स फिंगर. लाई ऑन द रिस्ट just above the ball of the thumb. Number 2, after counting the pulse, do some various exercise for 30 seconds. Example, knee up and skipping. Then count the pulse again. The note that exercise increase the rate of heartbeat. आप घुटने को ऊपर नीचे करिए या रस्सी कूदिए तो आपकी हार्ट बीट बढ़ जाती है. When the felt side of the heart force blood into the main artery, aorta, and them into the arteries, then tubes are stressed, but their walls are elastic between the heartbeats. They continue to squeeze blood along the tube in a direction away from the heart. Because the valves tend to return to their original position, the walls of the heart prevent the backflow. The fairly steady blood pressure is kept up in arteries, which is increased for a time after each fresh contraction of the heart pump. When a man of average size is at rest, his left side delivers about 2.5 pence per minute. The total amount of blood in a man's body is about 10 pence. हार्ट साउंड, दिल की धड़कन जिसे कहते हैं. ड्यूरिंग लाइफ द हार्ट कैन बी लेफ्ट फेल्ट अगेंस्ट द चेस्ट वॉल इन द फिफ्थ लेफ्ट intercostal space near the sternum. It is called the cardiac impulse. If the air is applied to the spot, the hear sound like lub dub followed by a pause. Blood pressure. As started above the each beat of the heart, blood is pushed into the already filled arteries, stretching their elastic walls. This pressure of the blood against the walls of arteries is called blood pressure. It is during the systolic contraction of the heart that blood pressure is highest, and the called systolic pressure, which during this systolic relaxation of the heart the blood pressure is the lowest and is called diastolic pressure. Thus it is seen the blood pressure is normal occurrence in all men. It is measured by the instrument called blood pressure apparatus which resists the pressure by needle traveling round a digital column of mercury in a glass tube. It has two types: high blood pressure. First, it kind of heart disease and may be very dangerous as it results by the force of the heart pumping the blood through the arteries and resistance offered to this flow by the arteries valves. The increase in the force beat during emotion, anger, worry, over an anxiety, or continued mental and emotional strains, or chronic alcoholism may cause high blood pressure. It is also caused by increase in volume of blood by overeating and overdrinking by contracting the smaller arteries in old age. Number 2, low blood pressure. It is generally caused by the heart weakness, lack of blood from disease or profuse bleeding, malnutrition or debility, etc. It can be treated by curing the chronic symptoms gradually. Arteries. I will tell you in next class about arteries.